Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Tokyo Jordan 1s. Before we get into it, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. The Air Jordan 1 Japan released back in 2001 as a Japan exclusive, limited to 1,001 pairs. For 2020, Jordan Brand will be bringing back the limited design, but this time with Nike Air branded tongues. Dressed in a similar neutral gray, white, and metallic silver color scheme as the 2001 release, this Air Jordan 1 features a gray textile upper paired with metallic silver leather on the heel, swooshes, and toe box. Embroidered Nike Air on the tongue, white midsole atop a gray rubber outsole with co.JP on the insole completes the design. Look for the Air Jordan 1 High Tokyo to release August 7th at select retailers and the Nike Snkrs app. The retail price tag is set at $170. I love this colorway. This is just such a dope neutral type color scheme that can go with multiple outfits. The quality on here looks to be amazing. I will get into resale here in a second, but before we do that, let's just go over this shoe, starting off with the full gray upper. Now again, the quality on here is absolutely A1. I love that the tongue has that like tumbled leather instead of like the normal like nylon, whatever material that is on a normal Jordan 1. It doesn't have that. This one is leather, gives it a nice luxury high-end feel. Then you got embroidered Nike Air on the front. Absolutely my favorite part. I think that's just mad dope. More in the front end of the shoe, it is a lighter gray. The back end is more of a metallic silver, as well as that Nike swoosh. You got the clear Air Wings logo up by the heel section. Now your toe box is also that silver color. Then the laces on this shoe are not your typical Jordan 1 lace. They have the more rope style lace to it. They're kind of thicker and just more round. I actually really like that. I think it gives a more luxury feel. It just looks a lot nicer in my opinion. Now if I get this shoe, I will definitely switch it up and try with some normal Jordan 1 laces, maybe try some different colors, because I'm not sure what colors are coming with this shoe, if any extras are coming at all, because they do have the gray ones on them already. I think this shoe would look dope with black or white. And honestly, where it's a neutral gray color scheme, you can mix any color with it. You could put red laces on there, blue laces on there, green. Hopefully I can get the shoe, do a little lace swap video for you guys. I think that'd be pretty dope. Now you got a white lining, gray insole with co.JP and a Jumpman logo on the insole. And you got a white midsole and gray outsole. I'm telling you guys right now, this is not a shoe you want to sleep on. Now I'm gonna leave a full store list in the description below. Places doing raffles, all that good stuff. Like I said, it's dropping on the Snkrs app. So real quick, some quick tips on the Snkrs app. Make sure you have everything preset. I'm telling you guys, you want to make sure your size is on there, the finger touch setting is on. That way you just do your fingerprint and you're good to go. You don't have to put your password in. I've had way too many people hit me up and be like, man, I didn't preset my stuff, or for some reason the Snkrs app made me put in my password because the thumbprint wasn't on. And that's the weird thing. Sometimes Snkrs app will automatically turn off the thumbprint setting, so you have to like reset it. So what I do before every release is I just go in, sign out of my Snkrs account, sign back in, make sure all my settings are good, and then I'm set to go for that release. Some people like using PayPal. They say it works better. I personally don't see a difference. I say you should be fine with just a credit card. I personally think Snkrs app goes off of the connection. So whatever phone you have, if you're using your data, I'd say use your Wi-Fi. If you got some strong Wi-Fi, go with the Wi-Fi. I truly feel like that works better. Whatever option gives you the best connection, makes your phone the fastest, use that option. If you have to go into your web browser on your phone, clear out all your tabs, close out all your other apps, I feel that that makes your phone run faster. It might just be a conspiracy, but I truly feel like that stuff helps. So try that out and good luck. Now let's get into resale. Now I see this shoe going for around $300 to $400 in the end. I could see it hitting that lower 300 at the beginning, and then with time the price is just going to keep going up. So yeah, those are my resale predictions. Let me know what your resale predictions are down in the comment section below. Let me know, are you going for the shoe as a personal? Are you trying to flip? Or are you going to pass up on this release altogether? Everyone's different. I guess not everyone likes this shoe, but I think it's fire. I'm definitely going for it. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out. Jordan 1s are arguably, Jordan 1s are some of the best Jordan.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done, nigga. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga.